Welcome to the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali in titanium rush metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed Allison automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Sierra, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding sliding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, steering column shifter, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, integrated trailer braking can be found here in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Denali, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving on, we have chrome door handles, Denali HD badges on the doors, chrome-capped mirrors with LEDs, Duramax and Allison plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, chrome recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights, LED overcab lighting. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around. Side steps are installed. Side steps are also built into both sides of the box. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper. Towing package is installed. Single exit exhaust. Sierra, Denali, and GMC badging can all be found here on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the Denali, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have two cup holders, the heated seats controls, and two USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.